Hey, this is Darren with Audio Designs and Custom Graphics in Jacksonville, Florida. Working on a 2018 Mazda Miata MX-5. Did a couple AudioMobile 8s, Evo 8s behind the seat here. I basically cut out the factory little boxes or whatever you want to call them that go back there. Built a little smaller half wooden enclosure, half fiberglass, and put the 8s right in there. So we built a couple vinyl wrap panels that match the factory panels pretty good. And then we went ahead and put a Rockford amp underneath the seats. You can't really see it here, but it's a little Rockford 750 Power 750. But if you're in Jacksonville, give us a call, 904-333-2322. Check us out on Instagram at AudioDesign75.